Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I want to quickly do a video on how to buy and import without having a verified Alipay account. You know, some people have these challenges on how to import their goods from China because they don't have a Alipay account. But in this video, I will make it clear to you on how you can do it without even having the Alipay account. So without wasting much of your time, let's get to it. Now, what you want to do first is, once you log in into your 1688 China website, now let's assume you want to buy any product here. Let's say you want to buy this product. It loads. Now what you want to do now is, let's say you want to buy 10 pieces of this. So just click up any amount of pieces you want to buy. You can use this step too on your phone. Don't say it's because I'm using a laptop. You can do exactly what I'm doing here on your phone too. So once you click on it, then you click on order it now. Now once you click on order it now, it's going to take you to a page where you will make the payment. Now let me translate this to English so that we can all see what is in this interface. Now can you see it said I should submit my order. Now what I will now do is let me click on submit order. Once I click on submit order now, then it's going to take you to where it's going to bring out Alipay section where you pay. Now but you know that we don't have this Alipay account, so this is exactly what I'm going to show you now. Can you see this order number? Can you see where I'm hovering my mouse on? Just copy this order number. Just copy it. Now I will copy mine. Then once I copy it, then I will go back. You go back to this suppliers chart. But if you have Alipay account, you can just go directly and go to pay. But since we don't have it, we are going to go back and we are going to click. Can you see this chat box, this icon, this blue icon? You will find it in your, if you are using a phone too, you will definitely find it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the interface where you will be able to chat up with the supplier. Now if it has taken you there, the next thing you want to do now is just copy the number. This number, you see it has already even bring that the order was not paid. Now what you want to do now is you click on, you paste this order number that we copied. Just paste it here and you click on send. Now once if the supplier is available, you are going to see it that it is read. But right now I think they are not available at the moment I'm doing this video. Maybe they are asleep, maybe they are at midnight. So after negotiating with the suppliers and you've gotten the suppliers Alipay account, the next thing you want to do now is you want to take that suppliers details account to a reliable money exchanger. So the money exchanger will help you fund your payments to that suppliers Alipay account. So after funding it, the money exchanger, I don't know if you are getting me, the money exchanger will now send you the receipt of the payment. So you will now take the receipt and send it back to these suppliers after the money exchanger have made the payment. So once the supplier confirms that okay, the payment is now ready, the payment has entered into his account, then you will ship your goods to any shipping company address that you provide for him. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, once you paste the order number here. Then you tell the suppliers that okay, can you give me your Alipay account. The supplier will say okay, then you send the Alipay barcode or the account number of his Alipay. Then you can give the money exchanger. The money exchanger will not transfer the money into the Alipay account. You would have negotiated with the money exchanger that this is the amount that he wants to pay. Then you will pay the money into the supplier's Alipay account. Then he will send you the receipt. So once you send you the receipt, then you will now forward it to these suppliers. So after that, it's going to confirm it, and after confirming, you will send your goods to your destination, to any shipping company that you provide for him. So I don't know if I'm sure that you understand this. So just give me in the comment section if you want this reliable money exchanger. I have tons of them here that you can use, that they are very reliable, that I have tested. So if you want them, just comment in the section below that Light, please give me the reliable money exchangers details. Then I'll forward it to you personally, I promise. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to brief you on how, so that this won't be a challenge for you, anybody that doesn't have Alipay account. So guys, if you find this video informative and value, please comment in the section below, share it, like it, and subscribe, so that I will be triggered to give you more of this valuable content. See you in the next video, guys.